Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut for stock trading. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to buy and sell stocks, as well as manage their finances and make payments. To get started with stock trading on Revolut, you will need to download and install the app. Then create an account and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the trading section of the app and start exploring the different stocks available. Revolut offers a wide range of stocks from around the world, including popular companies like Apple and Amazon. You can search for specific stocks by name or browse through the various categories and indices. To buy a stock, simply select the stock you want to purchase and enter the amount you want to invest. Revolut will then provide you with a quote and ask you to confirm the trade. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell a stock. One of the key benefits of using Revolut for stock trading is the low fees. Revolut does not charge any commission on stock trades, and there are no management fees either. This makes it a cost-effective way to invest in the stock market. Another important concept to understand when trading stocks on Revolut is the difference between a market order and a limit order. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the current market price, while a limit order is an order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. Limit orders can help you avoid buying or selling a stock at an unfavorable price. It is also important to keep in mind that stock trading involves risk, and you can lose some or all of your investment. It is essential to do your research and set a budget before you start trading. Revolut provides a range of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions, including real-time market data and news updates. To get the most out of Revolut stock trading, it is a good idea to set clear goals and develop a long-term investment strategy. This could involve investing a fixed amount of money each month, or targeting specific stocks or industries. By following these best practices and staying informed, you can use Revolut to trade stocks with confidence and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, Revolut is a user-friendly and cost-effective way to trade stocks. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and doing your research, you can start buying and selling stocks with ease. Remember to always set a budget, do your research, and stay informed to get the most out of your investment.